If you've ever struggled with centering elements on your website using CSS, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you the ultimate guide to perfectly centering anything on your website. Simply apply the display flex property to the parent container and then use justify content, center, and align items, center, to center the child elements. It's as simple as that. The second method is using the position and transform. This method is effective for centering inline elements or text. Simply set the text align, center property on the parent container, and voila, your content will be perfectly centered. If you want to center a block level element, you can use the margin 0 auto property. This method only works when you have a specified width for the element. It will automatically add equal margins on the left and right, centering the element on the page. With these methods, you'll have complete mastery over centering elements, no matter what your design calls for.